5 safety tips for home power generator. Avoid carbon monoxide poisoning. 1. Position generators outdoors and well away from any structure. Every year, carbon monoxide claims hundreds of lives. A generator must be used in a well-ventilated area. Note that you cannot see toxic levels of carbon monoxide, colorless, odorless gas. Running a generator inside any enclosed or partially enclosed structure can lead to dangerous and often fatal levels of carbon monoxide. It can build up quickly. Keep the generator dry. Do not use the generator in rainy or wet conditions. 2. Make sure your generator is properly grounded. Grounding generators can help prevent shocks and electrocutions. 3. Plug equipment directly into the generator. Use heavy-duty, outdoor-rated extension cords that are in good working condition. 4. Do not plug the generator into a wall outlet. Never try to power your house/business by plugging the generator into a wall outlet or the main electrical panel. Only a licensed electrician should connect a generator to a main electrical panel. 5. Maintain an adequate supply of fuel. Know your generator's rate of fuel consumption at various power output levels. Carefully consider how much fuel you can safely store and for how long. Gasoline and diesel fuel stored for long periods may need added chemicals to keep them safe to use. 5 safety tips for home power generator. Avoid carbon monoxide poisoning.